Hello, boys and girls. I hope you are ready for some math. Make sure you are coming prepared. That means your mind is focused and ready. Make sure your belly is not hungry so that your mind can do its job and think about math instead of food. And also make sure our eyes are watching and our ears are listening. In order to be prepared today, first graders, you will need your lesson 33 problem set in your math book that has topic H on the front, okay, where it says H. And I open that to my lesson 33 problem set. I see some black and white circles. The other thing you will need is your whiteboard and your dry erase marker. In order to get our math brains warmed up as well as keep our math brains sharp, we're going to start with a story problem today. We want to make sure that we continue practicing these story problems so we can solve them whenever they come our way. Now, when we solve a story problem, it's helpful to have 3 things. Sometimes 2. Depends how Mrs. Garris wants to do it that day. Usually I'd like to see a number sentence, a math picture, and a number bond. Sometimes I'll just say, please make sure you have a picture and a number sentence, okay? The big thing is that math picture to show me how you were thinking about it. And then the number sentence to show me how can we get our answer. Okay? All right, let's read. I have a blue sentence here at the top, a green, and then some pink. So let's read them together. Make sure you listen before you start working. Our story problem says, 9 kids are at the park. 2 are on the swings. The rest are playing tag. How many are playing tag? All it said was the rest, so we have to figure that part out. I'll read it again and we can start our math picture. 9 kids are at the park. Ooh, would you be able to show 9 kids at the park in a math picture? 2 are on the swings. The rest are playing tag. How many are playing tag? All right, did you already start on your picture? Well, do we know our whole number here? Do we know how many kids are at the park altogether? We sure do. We know that there are 9 kids at the park, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Those are all the kids that are at the park. 2 are on the swings. Is there a way we can show that in our picture? 2 are on the swings, the rest are playing tag. How can we show the 2 that are on the swings in our picture? I could cross them off, I could circle them. Right now I'm going to circle them, and I'm going to put an S for swings. Those are the kids that are on the swings. The rest, all the rest of these guys are doing what? They're playing tag. Okay, make sure you're following along with me, drawing your math picture too. Okay, so the rest are playing tag. Do we know? Can we see how many are playing tag now? We can, can't we? Interesting. We see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 kids are playing tag. Okay, well, that's great and all, but we need a number sentence still, don't we? Right? We need a number sentence still. If we were to draw ourselves a little number bond here, we have 9 kids at the park, right? 2 are on the swings, and we see 7 are left. So we need to write our number sentences to help us figure out that 7, right? We could start by doing the 2 we know, right? 2 plus something, so the ones on the swings plus the ones playing tag equals 9 altogether, okay? Or, well, before we go to the next one, if we are doing it this way, 2 plus something makes 9, we'd be saying, okay, 2, boop. How many more do I need to get to 9, right? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Look how many fingers I have. Still have 7. Good. So this would be like counting on to figure it out. Or we can start with that whole number. And what other kind of number sentence can we write? We can write a takeaway problem. 9 take away a part we know, What's the part we knew? We knew the swing kids. There were 2 equals something. If I have 9, I take away 2. I'm left with 5, 6, 7. I still get the same answer, right? So boys and girls, how many are playing tag? 7 kids are playing tag. Very good. Awesome. All right, now that we have our minds ready to go, let's erase our board in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's take a peek. I'm going to write our I can statement today. I can subtract. Ooh, there's a big clue for you in what we're going to be doing today. We can subtract 0 and 1 from a number. Okay, let me show you how this looks. It says I can subtract 0. Let's say I do 6, take away 0 equals. See how we subtract 0? Or 6, take away 1 equals. Will these two problems have the same answer? Sure won't. Let me show you how I solve 6 take away 0 using a math drawing. I draw my whole number, 6, take away 0. Whoop, do I have to do anything if I'm taking 0 away? 0 means nothing. Nope. Okay, so I took nothing away. What is left? 6 left. Okay, let me show you how I do 6 take away 1 with a math picture. And you can do it with me this time if you'd like. 6 take away 1, we'd still start with 6. We take away 1. How many are we left with? We're left with our row of 5. Let me show you how I do 6 take away 1 on my hands. I start with 6 fingers up. I take away 1. How many fingers do I still have up? I have 5. That's my answer, right? Ooh, now look at the two answers. 6 take away 0, so if we took 0 away, it still equals 6. If we took 1 away, we got 5. 5 is 1 less than 6. Right, because take away 1 is the same thing as less than 1. Okay, if I were to erase my pictures, let's look at a different one. What if we used 8? 8 take away 0 equals, if we have 8 and we don't take away anything, how many are still going to be there? There are still going to be 8 fingers. What if we do 8 take away 1 equals? You could do it as a picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Take away 1, or 8 take away 1. How many are left? 7. Okay, so let's take a look when we take away 0. When we took 0 from 6, we still have 6. When we took 0 from 8, we still had 8. That means that if we take away 0, what is it always going to equal? It's always going to equal itself, right? Nothing changes. So if you have anything take away 0, it's going to equal itself. So if you have 400 take away 0, it's going to equal 400. If you have 6,032 take away 0, it's always going to equal 6,032. Okay? Okay, what about when we did 1 less? 6 take away 1 equals 5, and 8 take away 1 equals 7. Oh, well, take away 1 is the same thing as 1 less, so 7 is 1 less than 8. Got the hang of it? All right, so we have two strategies we can use. We can use a math picture we draw, or we can use these tootsies right here. Let's take a peek at our problem set. We're going to do a few on the problem set together, and then you will have an activity to finish on Seesaw. Okay, let me erase my board. Grab my math book. Remember, I'm on the lesson 33 problem set. And I'm also going to make sure I'm super responsible and have my pencil ready to write with. Okay? All right, let's do these top two. It says cross off when needed. So sometimes we don't have to cross off, right? We didn't have to cross off when it was take away 0. There's nothing to cross off. And it says to subtract. So first one says 6, take away 1. They gave us a picture of 6 here. If we take away 1, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 left. 6, take away 0. Are we going to cross any off? If we're taking away 0? No, sir, no, ma'am. So what is our answer? It stays the same. It's 6. Nice job. Okay, we're going to do just maybe 2 or 3 together, and then I want you to finish the rest on your own. Okay? Remember, you can, it says right here, if you want, make a drawing for each problem, or if you want to use your fingers, you can use your fingers. I'm going to draw a picture just so that you can get used to seeing that. Number 3 says 7, take away 1 equals. All right, my first number is 7. I need to make sure I start with that. Part of being a great mathematician is double checking your work. So if I'm drawing 7, I'm going to double check and count and make sure I have 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If I don't have 7, I need to fix it. Otherwise, I'm going to get the wrong answer. 7, take away what? 1. So do I need to cross off? Yes, I need to cross off 1. How many are we left with? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remember that 1 less rule? If we take away 1, our answer will be 1 less than 7, which is 6. Good job. What about 7, take away 0? If I have 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I take away nothing, do I need to cross off? Nope. So what am I left with? 7. That's our rule. If anything take away 0, then it's going to equal itself. So 7 take away 0 still equals 7. Let's try number 5. 10 take away 1. Now I'm going to do it in my brain. Okay, or I'm going to use my fingers. 10 take away 1. What is 1 less than 10? I'll draw it in a picture. You can too if you need to. Always, always, always draw a picture if you can't get the right answer. 10 take away 1 leaves me with what, first graders? Should leave you with 9. Good job. And 10 take away 0. Anything minus 0 stays the same. So 10 take away 0 is going to equal 10. Okay? Awesome. I want you to finish numbers 7, 8, 9, and 10 on your own. And in just a minute, I will go ahead and correct your answers, or you will check your answers. I will go ahead and put the right answers in, and you can check your work. So go ahead. I'm going to give you about a minute. Okay. For 8 take away 1, you should have gotten the answer 7 because 7 is 1 less than 8. For 8 take away 0, it should still equal 8 because we didn't take any away. 9 take away 1 would be 8 because 8 is 1 less than 9. If If you were to draw that in a picture, you should have had 9 circles. And you crossed out 1. Then you see 5, 6, 7, 8 are left. And the last one, 9 take away 0, should stay 9. Anything minus 0 will stay the same. Great work! Thank you for working with me today. Now you're going to head over to Seesaw and show me what you know about taking away 1 and 0 from a number. See you soon!